let's see my friend Priscilla. Hey Priscilla, come on in. Hi.
Hi.
During winter, someone just enters your building and shakes hands with you. Will leave you freezing chilly. In the summer, people wear light clothes. Well, and flip-flops.
In the winter, people decide to wear darker clothes.
Well, drinking a cold soda in a hot summer day will make you feel cool and refreshed.
When you put a kettle on the stove, the water inside the kettle boils, but the kettle itself does not melt.
Why? Hey, watch this. In this video, we'll talk about a couple properties of heat. Convection occurs because fluid that is heated becomes less dense and as a result, it rises. Your home is heated by the process of convection. The heat increases the temperature of the water, which then rises and expands. The hot water increases the temperature of the air as it circulates through the radiators. Or floor vents. This heater air rises and is replaced by cooler air repeatedly. As the gas or liquid warms and rises then cools and falls, it creates convection current. It's because convection that vents are usually placed on the floor in white buildings with high ceilings are hard to keep warm. Convection is the primary method by which heat moves through gases and liquids.
We're doing an experiment concerning popcorns and the way heat travels through it. Right here, I have a stove, a pan, and some popcorn kernels heating on a stove.
We need some big
box.
Oh, there we go.
Popcorn.
There's one.
Another.
Two.
Conduction is heat transfer through matter. Metals conduct heat well, while air is not as good as a conductor of heat. For the popcorn experiment, the heat is transferred by direct contact from the pan to the oil or butter to the kernels of the popcorn, then applied to it. Thermal expansion comes into play because the kernel expands due to the heat that transfers through the kernel, making it explode. Now we have a nice bowl of popcorn due to the thermal expansion. The red watercolor diffuses through the pure water.
At lower temperature, there is less energy and more rigid bonding, which causes the solid to be well solid. At higher temperature, there is more energy and the bonds move more and are no longer able to maintain a rigid structure, and they turn to a liquid. Even higher temperature and bonds gain more and more energy and bonds break and state become a gas. So ice, liquid, water and steam are the same thing, just at different states.
When electromagnetic waves travel through the air, it is called radiation. When these waves come in contact with an object, the heat is transferred through the object. Electromagnetic waves travel through empty space. The sun warms the earth using radiation and electromagnetic waves. Examples include a campfire, a microwave oven, and a light bulb.
I'm telling these guards better work on your defense. I'm Kobe in the clutch. You other sucks, and I'm no B. Jennings getting Milwaukee Bucks. What's the deal? I'm fresh like Dougie, and I keep getting cause all my love me and my swag bring them in. Nigga, not my money. It ain't tricking if you got it, but I am no dummy.